Salutation to the God. Salutation to the God. परमात्मालाई अभिवादन. परमात्माको अभिवादन. From the point of salvation, from the point of salvation, मुक्ति का दृष्टिकोण से, मुक्ति को दृष्टिकोण बाट, जीवन मुक्त को दृष्टिकोण बाट, from the salvation of the man's life, मनुष्य का जीवन से मुक्ति के दृष्टिकोण से, salvation from the body point of view, शरीर जो है उससे मुक्ति के दृष्टिकोण से, salvation from the all kinds of tensions, हर प्रकार के टेंशन से मुक्ति के दृष्टिकोण से, from the salvation from all types of troubles, हर प्रकार के दुख से मुक्ति के लिए, from the salvation from the fear, from the death, मृत्यु का डर से मुक्ति के लिए, मृत्यु का डर जो है उससे मुक्ति के लिए, means salvation, the way of salvation from the world, from the world, from the world of death, मृत्युमय संसार से मुक्ति के लिए, the way, the good path, असल बाटो, that is a immortal consciousness, God we are, immortal consciousness, consciousness, God we are. हम लोग जो है वास्तव में परमात्मा है, वो परमात्मा है अमर और चैतन्य, अमर और चैतन्य रूप जो परमात्मा है, क्योंकि परमात्मा का स्वभाव है अमरता और चैतन्यता, the nature of God is immortal, and consciousness and our nature, our actual nature, in reality, our actual nature is also immortal and consciousness. But mortal and senseless, unconscious, we are not the nature of mortal and anti-conscious, unconscious, जो अचेतन है, जो मरणशील है, ऐसे हम लोग नहीं हैं। हामी मरणशील होइनौं, हामी अचेतनशील होइनौं, हामी सधैँ चेतनशील हौं र अमर हौं। चेतन र अमर परमात्माको सधैँको स्वभाव हो। All the nature of the God, always immortal and consciousness, only knowledge, pure intelligence, शुद्ध चैतन्य, स्वयं प्रकाश, सेल्फ इनलाइटमेंट। शुद्ध चैतन्य स्वयं प्रकाश जो परमात्मा है, वो ही हम लोगों का यथार्थ स्वरूप है। यथार्थ हम लोग वास्तव में परमात्मा ही है। So we are God because our nature is immortal and consciousness. It is true, it is a reality. This version, this saying, this expression is according to the supreme philosophy of the world. This expression, this presentation, this saying, this version is according to the supreme philosophy of the world. संसार का जो सबसे ऊंचा दर्शन है, उसी का ही एक कहना है। संसार का जो सर्वोच्च दर्शन है, उसी का ही कहना है कि वो है हम लोग अमर हैं और हरदम चेतनशील हैं, हरदम चैतन्य, शुद्ध चैतन्य, स्वयं प्रकाश हम लोगों का हरदम का स्वरूप है। So we are God. We are not different from God, because the nature of the God and nature of ours same, that is immortal and consciousness, only knowledge of the soul, only the knowledge of the soul, केवल आत्मा का अनुभव, केवल आत्मा का वर्णन। The soul is immortal and always with the sense, always with conscience, always with the pure knowledge. So we, the human of the world, all human of the world, in reality we belong to the God. We belong to the God. केवल परमात्मा से हम लोगों का संबंध है, केवल परमात्मा से ही हम लोगों का अटूट संबंध है। Regular connect, regular relation ours with God from the nature of immortal and consciousness, from the nature of pure intelligence, from the nature of the soul. Many proofs about this, many proofs about this. बहुत ही प्रमाण है इस बारे में, बहुत बहुत ही प्रमाण है इसके बारे में. अनुभव का प्रमाण है, the proof of experience, the proof of spiritual books. We get several. We have several. हम लोगों के पास बहुत सा ही प्रमाण है. इसलिए for that we are actually God, not mortal. Actually, we have no relation with the death. We have no relation with the death of the body. Sense and not sense. There are two things. Conscious or unconscious. There are two things. Conscious means God. Unconscious means seen body, seen bodies. Without consciousness, bodies seems dead. Because of sense, bodies are walking, talking, doing everything with the help, with the sovereignty of the sense, of the conscience. The sovereignty is conscience. That is in God. Without God, body is nothing. Without God, body is nothing. Without sense, body is nothing. So, we belong to God. We always belong to God. So, we are actually God. So, we are always happy. So, we are always in pleasure. So, we are always with God. We are not alone. Never we are not alone. Always we are with God. So, our realization, our experience is always happiness, always pleasure, no tensions, no any fear from the death also. There is no trouble, because in God no trouble. In the knowledge, no trouble. So, we of the world, we all belong to God. We have no actually relation with the false world, with the false world, where is death, where is worldness, where is oldness. God is without oldness. God is without death. God is without tensions. God is without troubles. God is without fear from death also. Such God we are. So we are only gods. So we should realize the nature of God in our daily life. This is the lesson of today for us. Today means according to Nepali date 2081. According Nepali date, the month that is Bhadra 1st. Today Saturday. According English date 2024. The month August 17, Saturday. According Hinduism, Shravan Shukla Paksha Trayodashi, Shaniswaravara. We are listening, telling from Balaram Jishi titles Advait Pradeep Saraswati from Nepal country, from the president of Akhanda Sukha Kendra from Nepal country, from Bhairava city, from medias, from radios, Rupandey FM 102 megahertz from Nepal Bhairava, from Radio Parashi, from Palpa Tansan Srinagar FM, from Tol Mukti FM. We are listening and telling about the real nature of ours, that is God. That is surely God. This is a reality. This is a supreme truth. There is no doubt. Now, okay, Hari Om Tat Sat.